Okay, ready? Okay, so the one thing you will see and not yet, when Keith starts to pour the liquid nitrogen, he's going to be pouring out, it's going to look like a waterfall. There's going to be a lot of liquid coming out, but this bottle will fill very, very slowly because the liquid nitrogen is boiling off. It's evaporating and returning to its gas state. So you'll notice he's got to pour out a lot for us to get about 3 inches of actual liquid in this bottle. And then once I put the bottle in this big drum, it's time to play Protect Our Hearing. Okay? Not yet. And everyone in the deaf zone, you're okay? Good.
You're good enough. It works.
Ready?
Oh.
All right. I've never heard a crowd this quiet in my life. Here we go. Do it. Put that on.
Yeah, it's got a fresh ball.
Listen how quiet everyone is. This is awesome. Okay, so you see how much he's pouring out? It's coming out of there like a waterfall, and right now there's about 1/4 of an inch in there. All right, so here you have liquid nitrogen. And see, as it's boiling off, you guys already got your ears plugged. You won't be able to hear me! Now, because this is liquid nitrogen, makes up about 80% of our atmosphere, I can actually breathe it in. But it won't hurt me. So it's trying to return to its gas state. Are you guys ready?
Ready.
Every time I do this, not yet. Honestly, you're an excitable bunch. Okay, you ready? All right. Now. Now you can plug your ears.
Let's get it hype in here. Come on, let's hear some
Everyone's
excitement.
ready.
Come
Hold
on.
on, take that. Are you ready? Count it down. About 10, 9. We really don't know. Could be 2, 1, or